It's DYC Tech Quest, and I have this M Audio BX5 here, and the problem is that it's powering on, but when you play sound through, it doesn't come up. You can see, for example, let me show you that I've connected sound to it. Yeah, so you can see that I'm already playing sound. I can see that the sound is connected to the back, but still yet there's no output. There's no cable disconnected here. Everything is intact, as you can see, but no sound output. So let's check that. So you can see on the board that there's no sign of physical bond component. You can see these are the preamp, that's the OP amps here. Let me power it on again to grid and see if it will grid in the speaker. There's no any sign of gridding, you can see. Yeah, so now I've checked and discovered what is wrong with it, which I'm going to fix it. It's DYC Tech Quest to get you covered anytime. Yeah, so you can see clearly now that this line, this particular line went to the OP, the two of the OP amps that are not supplying the plus 12 volts. So this is the line here, this is the line here, and it's supposed to connect to this, line and this line, but you can see that it's not connected. It stopped here. So let's test to confirm our job. So first I need to confirm the voltages that we're missing from this OP amp to this. You can see that the voltage is there. You can see. So that means it's gonna work now. You can see. So let me tap. So you can see that it's gridding now. Let's play sound. So you can see that the sound is playing now. Remember before it wasn't playing out sound, but now you can hear. So our job is done now. So everything is working perfectly well now. It's DYC Tech Quest to get you covered anytime.